que se den espacio, que no esté amontonado. Espera un poquito. So I started working for Moreno Associates in 2008. When I started, we had about 80 employees. Since then, we have grown to 210 employees. The opportunity that Ernie gives us when we come to work for him is with the acknowledgement that there's opportunity to grow within the company. If you have the desire yourself, you can learn the company traits that we offer here at Moreno Associates.
We are building maintenance services, and our strength is in our frontline workers and the people that provide the services that show up every day to do the work. Started the business and I was a bachelor, and I, was well driven into the business, and shortly thereafter in 1995 met my bride, Stacy Moreno. And 28 years later, we're still together, and she still supports me as my chief advisor, somebody that I can talk to when I leave this office.
I gotta be honest, I didn't quite know what he did. I really didn't when we first met. Because I don't think I really ever grasped what it was that he encompassed. But then I got distracted by, having kids.
My name is Kylie Moreno. I'm the Director of Sales, and I have been here since 2018. The owner and founder of Moreno Associates happens to be my father, Ernesto Moreno. He founded the company in 1993. I have been around the company since 1996 and have had the privilege and honor of being a part of the company, growing up in the business to really understand what we do and the people that we do serve in the community and the people that we hire. And it's just been an honor to see the growth and the success that's happened over 30 years.
In 1993, when I was going to start this company, I already had a set number of clients who were going to come on board with me when I left my last position. I could wear all the hats, which was operations and sales and customer service. I didn't know anything about actual accounting.
I was hired by Moreno Associates as an outside service, and I came to work part-time, and eventually as the company grew, I was hired full-time.
Essentially, these people that have been here for 30 years have watched all of my siblings grow up, and from the time where they'd see us running around and causing trouble at Christmas parties to now where, both my sister Kennedy and I are working full-time for the business, working side by side with the same people that, watched us as little kids. It's special, but it's definitely been a learning curve to have to, work. You're working in the same environment where you grew up, but it's in a different professional setting.
If I was speaking to a younger me, I'd say, don't give up. I'd say, make sure you get enough sleep. I'd say, get your exercise. But I think some of the most important things that we learn when we're very young is show up on time. If you tell somebody you're going to be there 10 minutes early. And if it were easy, everybody would do it.